Hello friends, we students of GRIT have designed a project on electronic case sheet under the esteemed guidance of PL Srinivas Murthy, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, GRIT, Hyderabad. In this video, we will be discussing briefly about our project, its requirements, tools and technologies we used, how our project looks, and its security features. My project will be in parallel lines with electronic medical records used in USA, which form basis for electronic health records. Electronic medical records are the medical reports of patients generated in hospitals. EMR came into existence in order to avoid the costs related to storage of paper-based records. Generally, paper-based records have to be stored for 7 years, which means it requires large storage area and great search capabilities. An electronic case sheet is a systematic collection of health information about individual patient. This system is designed to represent data that captures the state of patient. It allows doctor to view patient history without need to track down the patient's previous medical record volume and easily share information among various departments in hospital. Moreover, my project contains social data of patient which can be used for data mining. Software requirements are any operating system, any of Windows or Linux. Technologies used are PHP and MySQL. Tools we used are WAMP and Adobe Dreamweaver. Hardware requirements, Pentium based systems, RAM 1 GB so that all tools work properly, server Microsoft SQL Server. Technologies we used are PHP and MySQL. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for web development but also used as general-purpose programming language. PHP code is interpreted by a web server with a PHP processor module which generates the resulting web page. A general-purpose DBMS is a software system designed to define, create, query, update, and for administration of databases. MySQL is world's second mostly used RDBMS. PHP is a processing language and MySQL is a database management system. Together they can be used to create websites with dynamic content, giving larger and more complex websites greater flexibility. Tools we used for making this project are WAMP and Dreamweaver. Looking at WAMP, the acronym WAMP refers to a set of free applications combined with Microsoft Windows which are commonly used in web server environments. It is an open source software. WAMP Stack provides developers with Apache, the web server, MySQL which handles the database components, PHP, Python or Perl represents the dynamic scripting languages. All these can be used in Windows operating systems. WAMP5 automatically configure all these components to work together wherever you install them on your local drive. Adobe Dreamweaver is a web design and development application that provides a visual, what you see is what you get, and a code editor with standard features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and code collapsing, as well as more sophisticated features such as real-time syntax checking and code introspection for generating code hints to assist the user in writing code. The design view facilitates rapid layout design and code generation as it allows user to quickly create and manipulate the layout of HTML elements. Dreamweaver features an integrated browser for previewing developed web pages in programmer's own preview pane in addition to allowing content to be open in locally installed web browsers. Let's look at what our project contains. It consists of a home page, medical records page, and an administrator page. Home page contains navigation to medical records and administration page of the application. It contains a link to hospital main website. It contains a login link for doctors and administrators to log in. This page is for doctors. This page contains search patient used for searching existing patients and link to add new patient. Patient profile can be modified at any time. Search can be done using keywords. It can also be customized like number of records to be displayed in the search list. Here we have a form which depicts the current situation of the patient. Here there is a scope to add social data of a patient which can be used for data mining to know patterns. Actually, administrator manages all the stuff. Administrator's role is to maintain entire application. He has right to add, delete existing staff members and make changes to configuration. He has rights to edit staff members' data and reset their passwords if necessary. He also can view logs of users statistics of the application. In today's world, security has become key feature to any application. We have provided security using RSA and MD5 algorithms. RSA is a crypto system which is known as one of the first practicable public key crypto systems and is widely used for secure data transmission. In such a crypto system, the encryption key is public and differs from the decryption key which is kept secret. MD5 message digest algorithm is widely used cryptographic hash function producing a 128-bit hash value, typically expressed in text format as 32-digit hexadecimal number. MD5 has been utilized in wide variety of cryptographic applications and is also commonly used to verify data integrity. Our project provides manifold benefits to hospitals, whether medium or big sized. Minimize documentation and duplication, reduce paperwork, quick flow of information between departments, easy access to previous records are the advantages of our project. Thank you.